welcome to Food in a Flash. I'm Coach Sarah, one of the health promotion coaches here in the health promotion department, and today we're going to be talking about carrots as the vegetable. So, carrots come in many different colors, many different sizes, but any of them are good to eat and healthful. So why eat them? So first off, just like every other vegetable that we've talked about, low in calories, low in fat, good fiber. So about a half a cup is only 25 calories. So again, low in calories. And then another two things about why to eat them. So they're inexpensive and they're available all year round. So just kind of a perk since we live in a colder climate. They contain nutrients like vitamin A, which is good for immune function, our vision, supporting cell growth, especially for our lungs, heart, and other organs. Vitamin K and calcium, so helps with blood clotting and bone health. Potassium, so proper kidney and heart function, helps with our muscle contractions and our nerve function. And then vitamin C. So a lot of times we think about citrus only having vitamin C, but carrots do as well. So helping again with immune health, also helps our body make collagen, which you hear a lot about collagen these days. So helps our skin, helps our hair, helps us heal wounds faster, things like that. And then also vitamin C helps us absorb iron better. So we also need iron in our diet. And then when you think of carrots, a lot of people think of beta carotene. So this actually helps protect our eyes from the sun and lowers our chances of cataracts and other eye problems. And then yellow carrots specifically have more lutein, which is another nutrient that helps prevent eye diseases. So it is true when they say eat your carrots for your eye health. And then, so how do we incorporate these into our nutrition a little bit more? So you could eat them raw with hummus, guacamole, a yogurt ranch dip. One that I really like is the Bolthouse ranch dip that is in the refrigerated section in the produce aisle. So that's a really good one to try. You could shred them and put them on your salads, your sandwiches, or your wraps. You could really finely chop them and maybe hide them in a marinara sauce for your family to get another vegetable serving in. And then adding them to soups, roasts, you could pan fry them, stir fry them, steam, boil, roast them, whatever you want to do. They're pretty versatile. So, and then another, I guess, tip on the storage side of things. So you can actually keep them for a few weeks in your crisper drawer in your refrigerator. So if you have the whole carrots with the stems on them, or the green leafy tops, just trim those first, and then you can store them in a plastic bag with some holes in it. Or if you have that produce bag that you bought them in, you could just leave it open a little bit and then they'll get some air flow. So that's kind of just a storage tip. And then the recipe that I have for you guys is actually a Moroccan spiced roasted carrots, because I just wanted to find something different. A lot of times we think, oh, we have to put like honey or brown sugar or something sweet. So I just found a recipe that was just a little bit different. So I'll put that in the chat for you. It does call for turmeric. So if you don't have that, you could also substitute like paprika or mustard powder or something different if you have something else in your pantry. So just a few other options. So I will add that to the chat. If you have any questions or want to reach out, you can also send me a message in the chat. But otherwise, that's what I have on carrots.